Hey Revamped Dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you watched part 1 of how I installed my Kinky straight wig in 22 inches, wonderful. If you haven't, go back and check that out. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put this Kinky straight wig into Flexi rods, and let's see if it can hold a curl with the Flexi rods. I'm going to get right into the video, no wasting time. So in part 1, I wasn't quite sure if she could hold a curl with the barrels. I said surely Flexi rods will do it. So I had to try that the next day. I had somewhere to go and I just thought, you know what, putting in Flexi rods overnight would be a great idea. And so I did that. So I'm going to go ahead and take these Flexi rods out. Okay guys, remember part 1 where I said I didn't have my supplies? I got my supplies today. I went to the beauty supply store. I got my slick stick. I got my big comb. I got everything I needed to make this hair a success today. Now, slick stick is a cheat code for me. My hair frizzes up in 0.5 seconds because I don't wear my hair straight. It is not heat trained. Ladies that are natural understand that in order for your hair to stay straight for a long time, you gotta flatten your hair on a regular basis, bi-weekly. I don't do that. So when I get into that heat, not even heat, I can just stand there and then within a minute, it's frizzing up. Well, this slick stick helps my hair stay straightened longer. Now, heads up, slick stick is known to break off the girly's edges if you use it all the time. This is a once in a while product. You do not want to use this every day. I promise you, your hair will fall out. Your edges will fall out, period. I'm done talking about it. Now, if you're looking for a way to keep your hair straight longer, there is a thing called the amino acid treatment, which keeps your hair straight because it automatically heat trains your hair. But that's for another video. Let's get back into this one. I'm going to go ahead and flatten my hair, and then we're going to go ahead and get on to putting on this wig. I want to give a quick shout out to New Me for telling me this flat iron because it has been holding me down for years. I will leave the details in the description box below because, baby, I don't use nothing else. All right, here she goes. Hair's in a ponytail, and there's the Flexi rods. Let's take these out finally, and let's see what we're working with. Oh yeah. She curled real nice, real nice. Let me go ahead and take everything out and show you the full final product. Ooh. Okay, the curls are beautiful, but what I don't like is that it doesn't look as full as it was before. It looks a lot thinner. At least that's what I was thinking when I took the Flexi rods out. But as y'all see throughout the video, the hair swells right back up, just like how natural hair does, and the fullness comes right back. And I do lose some wave as the hair, well, actually, you know, I was playing around with it a lot. So, you know, if you don't mess with it too much, it probably will hold a curl. But I was just playing with my curls in this video. So, y'all let me know how y'all like the curls and how they hold for y'all, because I was playing in this thing all day. But I'm going to go ahead and blend out my leave out with the hair, and it's blending flawlessly, which I love. Ooh, those curls are gorgeous. I love a wave. I love a barrel curl. I love it all, honey. So yes, that's giving me everything I need and then some. As usual, the hair looks great. Blends with my leave out amazingly. Of course, my leave out's going to poop up as the time progresses, and I'm ready for it. It's all good, but that slick stick is holding me down. And what y'all think? Okay, CurlyMe hair, y'all came through with this one. This is definitely tea. I love it. I love the texture of the hair. I love the color of the hair. It blends with my leave out well, but it is human, so you can put heat to it. You can probably color it. I haven't tried to color it. If you need it jet black, dye it jet black. I'm sure it'll be just fine. So this pretty much wraps up the video. I am super satisfied with this product. I would say go ahead and purchase it because for 190% density, giving you this fullness, and it's one of those wigs that you can just wear and go. I mean, it's a win-win situation. The only thing I say is if you want to have some Baba Boom barrel curls, I don't believe this is the wig for you. This is more of my girls who like that full straight look. That's what I'll say, because I don't see this wig holding a barrel curl. Y'all, I love this hair so much, like so much. I mean, I know I love kinky straight hair, but the last hair I purchased a long time ago, it was shedding everywhere. It was disgusting how much it was shedding. I couldn't even, I had to throw it in the trash. So it's nice and refreshing to have a wig that doesn't shed like a dog. I mean, minimal shedding. All hair sheds, but very minimal. Like I don't see too much hair on my floor right now. You know what I'm saying? And us 4C girlies, we need a wig or a straight hair that actually has some texture to it. And that's why I love this wig so much, because it has that texture. But y'all, I just want y'all to see this blend. Where does my hair start and stop? Tell me, please. Like, I'm ready. I'm ready to go out. As y'all see, I'm dressed. I'm ready to go. I have somewhere to be in like 0.5 seconds, so I need to hurry up with this video. But definitely approved. Yeah. The thing is too, I don't like doing reviews that I don't approve of. If I don't like it, I'm gonna say I don't like it. If I like it, then I like it. This is all honest. So I'm gonna put the Amazon link below so you can go ahead and purchase for yourself. I will definitely put it on my Amazon shop as well. And yeah, let me know what y'all think when you get it, because I'm about to go ahead and rock this today. And I'm gonna say it grew from my scalp, because it did, okay? But I got to go. It was nice talking to y'all and giving y'all this update. I needed some more hair videos. I missed some of my hair videos. I've been on the health journey trying to eat right. And so I've been doing a lot of videos on how to eat healthier and what kind of foods give you the nutrition that you need to, you know, be the best you that you are. So that's why I say this channel is now focused on beauty, but not from only the outside, the inside too, because life is everything and health is wealth, okay? And so we're gonna get all that on this channel. So if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs it up. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all on my next video. Love y'all.